Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a 1998 Bobcat 873 F-Series skid steer loader. Machine has just 3,712 hours on it. Very good, all original machine. It's not an aerosol overhaul. We have had it through the shop, serviced it, completely through it. We did put the brand new Bobcat push to operate control box in it with the button. We updated that.
Yeah.
Something commonly went wrong with them, so we went ahead and put the update kit in it. Any questions on this machine, mechanically call us, we'll tell you about it. It is 100% ready to go to work. We can't find a single thing wrong with it. We're going to go ahead and take you back here into the back. We're going to start running and work this machine, show you how everything works on it just the way we should. We're going to start in the engine department and take you completely around the machine. The back door on the machine here, you'll see is all straight and original. One-piece door. We did put all new tail lights in. All the lights do work. If you come up here, we'll show you. In the engine compartment, we have put all new air filters, engine oil, fuel, and hydraulic filters in the cab. It's all been changed and updated. We did also put a brand new battery in, and we called the guys down at Rare Electrical and got a brand new starter. The starter wasn't bad, just every once in a while you'd hit the switch and it would just click. It's probably a solenoid or something. We've found it's just cheaper to buy a whole brand new unit up and done, and they have a warranty through Rare Electrical. So again, alternator charges, there's no blow-by, no abnormal smoke noises, oil leaks that we've found anywhere. It's a good, solid running, working machine. So let's go ahead and face it. Winter's coming. It's going to start snowing here before long. This will make somebody one heck of a snowplow machine. Guys will put an 8 or 10 foot snow box on one of these machines that will go out and earn them 150 or 175 an hour on a parking lot job. But these will load a triaxle. They are a big lift machine. None of the cylinders are leaking. If you come on around here, you'll see 12, 16, 5 tires, 50%, 60%, all D-stones, all matched. Up front here, you'll have standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. Interface with any modern attachment out there today, auxiliary hydraulics for running your attachments, and a 14-pin attachment control device for operating various different attachments. Up front here it comes with a brand new 81-inch CID Extreme low-profile skid loader bucket. The good heavy 6-inch cutting edge on it, the 3/4 inch. Very good edge, very good bucket. We have very good success with the CID product line. If you ever need attachments, let us know. If you need buckets, forks, mowers, augers, whatever, we can supply you with that for these machines. Up front here, we went through the quick attach, all new pins and bushings. Everything is going through. Not that it was slopped out or anything, it just had a little wee bit of play, and we figured, hey, the rest of the machine's so freaking nice, we might as well do the whole machine and make it right. And it is. It's just a good, clean machine all the way around. So, inside the cab, standard hand and foot controls. Very, very good seat, Bobcat brand seat. But we'll go ahead and I'll show you inside the cab here of the gauges and whatnot. All the gauges work. Right inside here, you have fuel gauge, voltmeter, temperature gauge, 3,712 hours, headlight switch, glow plugs. That's an auto level if equipped with it. It doesn't have it. Push to operate buttons right here. We put that new button in along with the brand new computer box. We're going to go ahead, start this machine up, show you how it works. guys, I hope you can see from the video, machine starts, runs, works excellent, doesn't have any abnormal smoke noise blow by. Good running, working, big horsepower machine, big lifting capability. If you've seen some stuff dripping, that's water from where we washed the machine out. We had the cab back, washed everything down. Parking brake works. I mean, everything on this machine works. It does have the rear axle weights on it also, and front axle weights. Rears are for a little extra lifting capacity. But good machine. Boom's not all welded or busted up. If you want an all original, nice old machine, you know, here it is. Please do me a favor and make it an offer. Must be some of you guys out there that have nothing better to do than make some stupid offer on a piece of machinery. Don't waste your time. We're looking for serious buyers. We're serious sellers. So if you have a question, want to come by and see this thing in person, come on by. We don't have anything to hide. 814-658-3066. If you need a shipping quote, let us know also. We can do that for you. Just specify if you need ramps or have access to a loading dock. 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. As always, happy event.